You've been thinking, talking, typing, solving, and the hours have all blurred together. Right now, you don't need to fix anything. You just need to breathe. Just take a moment to close your eyes or soften your gaze and just breathe. As you're breathing deeply, I want you to visualize a square. Each side of this square represents a steady rhythm. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. So as you're breathing in, imagine tracing the first side of the square. Cool air filling your lungs. Hold. Feel and acknowledge the pause where everything is still. Exhale slowly, tracing the next side of the square, letting all tension slide off your shoulders. Hold your breath again, a quiet reset before the next breath begins. This is your pattern, simple, measured, constant. Your mind begins to follow the shape, clear, centered, calm. There's no chaos in this space, only rhythm and balance. When you return to your day, bring this square with you, an invisible anchor you can draw anytime you need to just start fresh. When you're ready, you can blink your eyes open, have a stretch, and calmly move on with your day. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. I really hope it was beneficial to you. If it was, please show your appreciation by liking this video and leaving a comment to let me know what you think.